Hi, it's all from Secure from Scratch. If you want to participate with our Secure Coding Lab in Java, so please go and download Visual Code. Yeah, download Windows or something else. And then next, style. You can also go to and download the JDK. See if it's finished. It's not. So we can install the JDK as well. Let's see if it's done. Not yet. Finish. And now let's install the JDK. I have it installed, so I push repair, but you will not you will not have the repair. Just have it installed, and it's done. Yeah. Meanwhile, we can go to securefromscratch.com, then GitHub. And here in the right side, we have releases. Please go to the Secure Coding Lab release, Secure Coding Java release. In this release, we'll have all the projects for this Secure Coding course. So we'll start with the No Network Quiz. We'll download, and we'll finish with the JDK so we can open Visual Studio Code. We'll go to extensions, search for Java Pack and Microsoft Verify. We'll go to the desktop and extract the no network quiz that we've downloaded or not. I'm gonna look for it. Maybe I haven't. Okay, so where is it? Yeah. Let's extract. Okay, so I have it now in my desktop. Go back to Visual Studio Code. Let's open the folder. Select. Now we'll go to debug. We'll choose quiz and then run. Start debugging. We're going to wait for a little while because Java is activating and soon we'll have the project running. Yeah. So what is your name? My name is Ostal. And what was the capital of Syria? Let's try something. Okay, so the project is working. Thank you so much for listening. We'll see you next time. I'm Or from Secure from Scratch.